When it comes to enhancing your home, upgrading your doors may not be the first improvement that comes to mind. However, for homeowners in Palm Coast, Florida, upgrading doors is a smart investment that offers a range of benefits, from improved aesthetics and security to energy efficiency and property value. Let's explore why upgrading your doors should be on your home improvement checklist. Boost your home's curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A stylish, modern door can instantly elevate your home's curb appeal, making a lasting impression on guests and passers-by. Whether you choose a sleek contemporary design, a rustic wooden finish, or a bold color, a new door can enhance your home's overall aesthetic and reflect your personal style. In Palm Coast, where homes are often exposed to bright sunlight and salty coastal air, investing in durable, weather-resistant doors ensures they remain beautiful for years to come. Increase security and peace of mind. Outdated doors can be a weak point in your home's security. Upgrading to high-quality doors with advanced locking mechanisms can provide better protection against break-ins and severe weather conditions. Modern doors often come with reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass, and multi-point locking systems, giving you peace of mind whether you're at home or away. For Palm Coast residents, where hurricanes are a consideration, hurricane-rated doors can provide an added layer of safety during storm season. Enhance energy efficiency. Old or poorly insulated doors can be a major source of energy loss, causing your heating and cooling systems to work harder. In Florida's warm climate, energy efficiency is key to maintaining a comfortable indoor environment without driving up energy bills. Modern doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind, using materials like fiberglass or insulated steel and featuring weather stripping to reduce drafts. Energy-efficient doors help regulate indoor temperatures, keeping your home cool during summer and warm during the cooler months. Over time, this can lead to significant savings on your utility bills. Reduce maintenance efforts. Traditional wooden doors, while beautiful, require regular maintenance to prevent warping, cracking, or rotting, especially in the humid climate of Palm Coast. By upgrading to low-maintenance materials like fiberglass, composite, or steel, you can enjoy the look of a high-quality door without the hassle of constant upkeep. These modern materials are designed to withstand the elements, resist corrosion, and retain their appearance with minimal care, freeing up your time for other priorities. Add value to your home. Upgrading your doors isn't just a practical improvement, it's a valuable investment. A well-chosen front door can increase your home's resale value, making it more attractive to potential buyers. According to studies, replacing your front door with a modern, energy-efficient model offers one of the highest returns on investment for home improvement projects. In the competitive Palm Coast real estate market, every upgrade that sets your home apart can make a difference. Personalize your living space. Replacing your doors isn't just about functionality, it's an opportunity to infuse your personality into your home. From custom hardware to unique glass inserts, you can tailor your new doors to suit your style and preferences. Interior doors also play a role in the feel of your home. Upgrading to modern sliding doors, barn doors, or panel doors can redefine your living space, adding character and improving flow between rooms. Improve functionality and accessibility. If your current doors are sticking, creaking, or difficult to open, it might be time for an upgrade. Newer doors are designed for smooth operation and durability. Additionally, if you're planning to age in place or accommodate family members with mobility challenges, upgrading to wider, ADA-compliant doors can enhance accessibility. Choose the right doors for your Palm Coast home. When upgrading your doors in Palm Coast, consider factors such as climate, style, and budget. Look for doors that are specifically designed for coastal conditions, with features like rust-resistant finishes and UV protection. Work with a trusted local provider who understands the unique needs of Florida homeowners and can guide you in selecting the perfect doors for your home. Conclusion: upgrading your doors is a simple yet impactful way to improve your Palm Coast home. From enhancing curb appeal and security to boosting energy efficiency and property value, the benefits of modern doors are hard to ignore. Whether you're preparing to sell your home or simply want to enjoy it more, investing in high-quality doors is a decision you won't regret. Start your upgrade today and experience the transformation for yourself.